And hello there. So let me show you how you can test your capacitor if it is good or not, not working by using a multimeter. So before we would start testing your capacitor, you should put the adjuster into the measurement where you're going to test the capacitance. In this tester, you would see that the one that you should place it in is where you would see the microfarad sign. Okay, so now we have here a tester. This is a newly bought tester, so it indicates here that it's 2.0 microfarads plus 5% efficiency. Okay, so let's test this if this is equivalent to that. So we're going to put the probe here. There, it is within the range that is indicated in the capacitor. Okay.